Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 600, History and Philosophy of Adult Education. So week number 11 is really a continuation of week number 10. So in the video that I posted last week, and it's included right here, I kind of give an overview of the 2 weeks. And the purpose of this particular video, which is week number 11, and as you can see here, here's week number 10 video. The overview video, which I'm recording as we speak, will be posted today. So to do in week 10, and I also will say week number 11, because they are a continuation. Please read through all of the materials. Specifically, week number 11, the week starts on Monday, November 11th, but as you know, this is a long holiday weekend, and November 11th is Veterans Day, and I want to thank all of the veterans that may be in this class, and I really do appreciate your service. My son, Patrick, was in the 4th Infantry Division of the Army, and he served 4 years, but 2 full years in Iraq. So, you know, I have the utmost respect for him and also all of the veterans that have served. So thank you for your service. So week number 11, watch the video, which you're watching now, and put your final touches on the field study. And your field study will be, and I'll show some information on this, but your field study will actually be posted during week number 12. So once again, that is, you know, your option. You will post for us to look at what your field study was, and once again, I'll talk about that in a moment. So let me hit the arrow buttons to fast forward here to the next. So this is the optional discussion forum we had last week. I'm going to keep it going this week, and as you can see, we didn't really have too much. There was an optional week. I'm going to go to the next. So here's a self-check quiz. Really, it has to do with humanism and critical theory. You don't have to do this. This is just a check-in on your part. Some people like to do this to see how well they do. I think you get three options to get the highest grade. But once again, this was a remnant from the course from the last time or a couple of times ago, and I've decided to keep it in there because some people actually do like to participate in the in quizzes, especially when it doesn't mean that much. Second journal article summary I will have in the next 2 days. I apologize for that. Traveling to Reno, Nevada, presenting and participating in a conference really kind of threw me back, but I will have everybody's first journal summary graded with comments, which will help you. The second journal summary is due on November 17th. So once again, this is however you want to do it. This can be a little bit different. This can be, you can use the same format that you did for your first journal summary. Get creative. If you want to do a recorded video of things that struck out, you want to do a mind map, you want to, it's just something that is different than writing a 700 to 1200 word paper, you can do that. And I'm going to just click on the second journal summary. So, you know, all of the information is in here. You can attach, you can do an attachment, however you feel like you want to express yourself, that is fine with me. So if you really want to go out on a limb and you want to do it in a different way, please reach out to me if you have any questions on what might be acceptable. But I'm more than willing, and if you have any ideas on how you want to present this, let me know. So once again, we have the week 11 overview video. We have the things to do this week. Optional from week number 10, if you really want to circle back and do something there, we have the quiz, and then the journal summary option. And once again, I'm just going to check on that. Here's a little more information on the second journal, and I encourage you to, explore. You can focus in on, what popped up in your journal between the first journal summary and this one. But I want to also point that this particular journal summary may help you build towards your final essay, meaning what are the options? What's in your final kind of educational essay at the end of the course? What's the purpose of education? What do you consider valuable knowledge, and how does this translate into curriculum? What does instruction look like, etc.? So please take a look at this information in here. And I also, once again, give you, carte blanche as far as how you want to express your second journal. I will not give you more credit. You won't do better if you decide that you're going to write a traditional journal summary, but you won't do any worse. So it's rarely do people kind of look at other options. But I've had students in other classes, they decide they don't want to write, so they want to talk about it in a just say they want to record a video of themselves talking about what popped up from them. So that is it. Let me go back to the weekly materials. As I said, in week number 12, we will be posting in week number 12, we will be posting the actual field study. And let me just do one last thing before we leave. And so week number 12, the field study, this is where there's going to be a video, field study samples, and in the next couple of days, I'm going to make all of the materials available in this. I just need to clean some of them up. Field study discussion and more information. I will be asking people to post your field study next week, not this week, but the following week. So once again, I will make this material available to everybody during the week so you can take a look at that. And let me go back once again to the module number 3. The week is available and make all of this information available. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please keep on the lookout today, tomorrow, Monday at the absolute latest. I will have your journal summaries, your first journal summary with feedback back to you. So hope you have a wonderful week. And once again, happy Veterans Day. And for those veterans out there, once again, thank you for your service. Okay, see everybody.